Welcome back, everyone. Long time no see. So I had a little chat with Scott over at Kutzall. Now, Scott is a really cool guy. We talked about bits and burrs and what works. So I asked Scott, hey, can you send me just something that, some of the bits that maybe I can do a test, do some testing with them and see what I think of them. I love messing around with bits and burrs to find new textures or to just make my job 100% easier. I like to work, but I don't like to work too hard, you know what I'm saying? And if I can get some tools that will create shapes the way I want to create them, then guess what? We are in business. All right, let's do this thing. All right. Well, in order to unbox, you gotta have and you gotta be smarter than the box. I think I'm struggling here from that regard. Well, they packed it well. Come on, baby. Let loose! Holy macaroni. Let's just call this Merry Christmas to me. We've got like a lot of bits in here, man. These are some really good bits. Now, they sent me some bits that I didn't even know existed. And I've looked at the site and stuff, but it's one thing to look at the site and it's another thing to see them right in front of your face. So now I think we should start off right away and get a little gander at some of these bits and burrs because I'm super excited. I can't wait to try them. Woohoo! I don't know about you guys, but these kind of things excite me. When you get a package, I didn't know if he was gonna like space it off and forgot, sorry. Okay, so let's pull out the first one. Ooh, the first 1, 2, 3, 4. Check these out, guys. It's Kutzall 4-piece rotary burr kit, quarter shaft. Ooh, that's freaking dope. These are pretty big bits, man. That's the size of my thumb. Outstanding. Oh, wow. So we also get a contour wheel, and I've seen guys use this, and it's a very effective tool as well. It comes in a, wow, that's sharp. I've seen these guys, and wow, look at that. So that it comes with its own, it's a shank. Come on, Jeff, stick with me. So here's the shank. It's pretty big. Here's the tool. This thing is so sharp. It is clinging. This thing's clinging to my fingertips. All right, I'm just gonna set this aside. We got more to look at. This is a treasure trove of awesomeness. Thanks, Kutzall. What is this? Angle grinder adapter for contour wheels. This thing weighs quite a bit. I don't know how much it weighs. It's pretty amazing. What else do we got in here? A rotary burr. Well, they're all rotary burrs. Quarter shaft. This is a coarse cone bit, conical. Very nice. See, I always thought that Kutzall was just had the little tiny stuff, which they do. But I'm more interested in stuff like this. That is sweet. Quarter shaft, rotary burr. This is another coarse. This thing looks like a freaking beast. Quarter shaft, very coarse. Apparently the black paint is very coarse. Of course it's coarse. And then we have another 2-inch diameter bore. It's got a poly plug insert. It's for a contour wheel. This must be, wow. I think that this fits inside that. Nice. I was wondering how that was gonna work. I'm not new to carving, but I'm new to all these new gadgets and newfangled stuff. Of course, you gotta have your Kutzall stickers, which I will proudly display on something that matters. I am not sponsored by Kutzall, but I use their tools. What is this? It's a wood shaping rasp, 6-inch, half round. This thing is beastly. Here, I'll give you a little gander at that. If you haven't seen one of these, I've seen guys use these too. This has the original coating. This is the fine grit. You know, I can't wait to sink my teeth into something using these tools. This might give me the incentive that I needed to actually go and buy a few new grinders and things like that to put this stuff on. Because right now, everything I have is 18 years old. It's got cords hanging off of them. It is what it is. But I'm telling you right now, guys, I love getting tools in the mail. I don't know what the cost on this is, but I know they're not cheap. And so I really appreciate the gesture. So my hat's off to Kutzall for sending me these things, and I can't wait to get started with them. If you want to see me play around with these things, there will be a video coming up where I'm going to actually use this on some projects that I got coming. So keep an eye out for those, and I will see you on the next one.
Like and subscribe.